Jai Gurudev students. So today's topic is simplification. So how to do it? We will do this one by two process. Not by two process, the calculation will remain same, but how to write this in exam. I can show you two processes. One which has been given in your books, and the second one is which is we are using and it is not as much as it's not taking time as much as the process or the steps which has been given you in book, which has been shown you in books. So let's start. Now you can see I have given a particular question: 2513 minus 589 plus 732 minus 1067. In case of these maths, where we need to do both the plus and the minus, both the addition and subtraction, we need to arrange those numbers which are having similar signs or similar symbols, like plus or minus. Similar symbols means plus or minus. We need to arrange it. যেগুলো যে সংখ্যাগুলোর আগে বা যে নাম্বারগুলোর আগে সিমিলার সাইন রয়েছে, মানে প্লাস বা মাইনাস রয়েছে, সেগুলোকে আমাদের আগে লিখে নিতে হবে, মানে সেগুলোকে আমাদের আলাদা করে লিখে নিতে হবে। তাহলে আমরা দেখে নিচ্ছি। দেখো, প্রথম কথা হচ্ছে গিয়ে 2513 আগে কিন্তু কোনো রকমের সিম্বল নেই। Okay, so in this case, let me tell you that a plus will be there. Okay, we are not saying this, but a plus is there. Okay, if I am rubbing this, suppose there is sir, how can you tell a minus may be there, a minus can be there, right? So how you can say that plus will be there? But my friends, when minus will be there, it will be instructed, it will be given. Okay, but in case of plus, it may not be given. In case of this kind of maths or any kind of maths, those number which are not having any sign, that means before these numbers plus sign is there. সেই সমস্ত সংখ্যা যেগুলোর আগে কোনো রকমের কোনো সাইন নেই, সেই সংখ্যাগুলোকে অ্যাডিশন হিসেবে ধরা হয়, মানে প্লাস সিম্বল হিসেবে ধরা হয়। তাহলে চলো শুরু করা যাক। So according to the rule, we need to arrange those numbers which are similar in sign, but we need to arrange the numbers which are having the plus symbol. That means 2513 plus 732 minus 1067 minus 589, or you can write vice versa also, like 589 minus 1067. It's not an issue. Okay, so equals to, we need to add this one first. Before adding, I want to tell you something. If you need to do in this way, you need to put a rough portion. Okay, there you need to put a box, and in this box you will do the calculations. 732. So 3 plus 2 is 5, 3 plus 1 is 4, 7 plus 5 is 12, carry 1, 2 plus 1 is 3. So 3, 2, 4, 5. Okay, see, in my board, not the space is not enough, so that's why I am rubbing this again and again. But in case when you are attending these questions, when you are answering these questions, don't rub the rough portion. Okay, don't rub the rough portion. Don't waste your time to rubbing. Okay. After that, we need to put a minus symbol which is there. Okay, after that we need to add 1067 and 589. Yes, A question may be there that, sir, before 589 minus symbol is there and 1067 again a minus symbol is there. So why should we add this? But this answer you will get in coming years, because a particular process is there, a particular rule is there which we can't discuss. Yes, I am telling you, I'm introducing you with that process or with that rule, but please don't go with this rule. You just follow the rule, and in coming years you will come to know about those rules. The rule is like that: when 2 minus is there, it will be plus. When 2 plus is there, it will be plus again. When 1 plus and again minus is there, it will be minus, and 1 minus and plus is there, it will be minus. So don't go with these things, and don't follow this one, because if we follow this one, it will cause some mistakes. Maybe it cause some mistake. So let's do the addition. 9 plus 7. 9 plus 7 equals to how much? 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. 16 carry 1. 8 plus 6 is 14. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 plus 1, 15. Carry 1. 5 plus 1 is 6 and 1. So 1656. After that, as I don't have much space or enough space, so I am rubbing again. But students, please don't rub again and again to do a particular sum. Now we need to subtract this 1656 from 3245. So 6 can be subtracted from 5, so it will be 50. 5 will borrow 1 from 4, and 4 will become 3. Again 5 can't be subtracted from 3, that's why 3 will borrow a 1 from 2, and 2 will become 1, and 6 can't be subtracted from 1, that's why it will again borrow a 1 from 3, and 3 will become 2. So 15 minus 6 equals to 9. 13 minus 5 equals to 8, and 11 minus 6 equals to 5, and 2 minus 1 is equals to 2. Okay, so the answer is 1589. Answer 1589. But students, I have done this calculation orally. If you want to do it orally, do it in your home, but don't try this in exam now. Okay, I can do, because I have practiced lots of maths. Okay, in these years I have practiced lots of maths, so that I can assume the answer. But don't try this by yourself at examination hall. Okay, I am again calculating this one. Maybe I have made some mistake, so let's check it out. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 9, okay. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 8, okay. 11 minus 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 5, okay. 2 minus 1 is 1. So here is the answer. Now I need to show you the type 2 portion. The same thing will be continued. This portion and this portion will be added, and we will do the same thing but in another way. I think that process which I am showing you now, it will help you. Okay, we need not to put a rough portion and do the calculation again and again. So we can go with this step 1. Step 1, what is step 1? 2513 plus 732. Step 2. What is the step 2? We need to add 1067 with 589. 1067 with 589. Okay, and step number 3 will come from here. Okay, 3 plus 2 is 5, 3 plus 1 is 4, 7 plus 5 is 12, carry 1, 2 plus 1 is 3. Here 9 plus 7, so 9 plus 7 is 16, carry 1, and 8 plus 6 is 14, plus 1 is 15, carry 1 here, 5 plus 1 is 6, and the 1, 6, 5, 6. And step number 3 will be this one minus this one. 3245 minus 1656. So 6 can be subtracted. So 5 will borrow 1 from 4 and 4 will become 3. Again 5 can be subtracted from 3. So 3 will borrow a 1 from 2 and 2 will become 1. And 6 can be subtracted from 1. That's why 1 will borrow another 1 from 3 and 3 will become 2. So 15 minus 6 equals to 9, 13 minus 5 equals to 8, 11 minus 6 equals to 5, and 2 minus 1 is equals to 1. So you need to write the answer because it carries in some number. Okay, so now practice it at your home, and soon we will come with word problems related to this topic. So Jai Gurudev.